Hello everybody, hope you're keeping well. As we enter into a new year, firstly let me take the opportunity to say Happy New Year, and as we go into 2021 we are still faced with COVID-19 and the restrictions that it is placing on us. Certainly here where I am in Essex, we are currently in tier 4, which means we are on quite a strict lockdown. Not very many things open or that we're available to do, but the important thing, I believe, is that we remain upbeat, or as upbeat as we possibly can be. Continue to stay fit and healthy, because that helps with mental well-being. I think that's really important. So mental health is a really big thing that's really been tested by COVID-19, and it's something that it shouldn't be looked at lightly. So we need to be doing things that can occupy our minds and really help with our mental well-being. But that's not the reason why I wanted to put this video together. It's not what I'm here to talk about. I want to talk to you about creativity and how to try and get the best out of a bad situation. Now, obviously, there isn't a lot of work being undertaken at the moment because of the restrictions. A lot of places are closed, and that means that we can't get out there and produce the content that we would like to. But that doesn't mean that we can't be creative and just have a bit of fun and just keep our creativity, keep our minds focused on being creative. So today what I would like to do in this video is talk to you about getting the most out of one of these things, a mobile phone. Now this one is probably considered to be a bit of a relic. It's an iPhone 6. I don't know how many additional versions that have been made of this. I've had this for some time. It still serves me very well. Now that I've said that, they're probably going to stop doing updates for it, and I'm going to be forced to buy another phone. But we all have one of these in our pockets, and I've done a few videos on how to get different kind of looks from just the mobile phone features alone. So how to create motion blur was one of the videos I did. How to hold the phone was another, just to try and, especially if you're new to, or you just new to photography, new to videography, and you're just messing about, and this is the only thing that you haven't got all the expensive DSLRs and kit like that. You're just working with your mobile phone. Just these little tips, just to give you that little bit of an edge and something for you to try out, something a little bit different. So today what I'm going to do is I want to talk about the slow motion aspect or element to your camera. So if I call up the camera now on my phone, and I'll talk you through this. Let me start by recording my screen, probably help. You go into your camera, obviously, and down the bottom you've got all these features. So you've got time lapse, slow mo, video, photo, square, and pano. So if you go onto your slow mo option, take the video as you normally would, whatever it is your video, and then the phone automatically selects part of the video to run in slow motion. But what you can do is, once the phone just died on me, I told you, they're onto me already. They know that I've had it for too long. So yeah, you go into, once you've taken your video and the device itself has selected the slow motion part, you can then go back into that and you can trim that further. So you can move your selection, and you can then select the part of the video that you want to be in slow motion, and you can lengthen or shorten that element, that aspect, and you can really become creative and create some good slow motion. So what I'm going to show you now is just some short clips that I did myself and my children. Got the scale electrics out, just whizzing the cars around, and I thought, this is brilliant. Let's get some slow motion captured of these cars. Predominantly they're crashes, because we just can't keep the cars on the track. But take a look at these videos. These were all done in phone. all edited in Phone. These haven't been touched up in any other editing package that I've got. This is all done using my iPhone 6, a relic. So there you go, folks. I hope that you are inspired by seeing those videos, and go out there and create your own slow motion videos directly through your phone. Like I say, it's shot through the phone. It's edited through the phone. There's nothing. You don't have to go out and spend fortunes on packages and things like this. It's all done within this device. It's brilliant. Folks, remember, be creative, be inspired, be you.